Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello. How are you kids? I hope you all are all safe. Yes. Before going to the topic, I want to say you some of exercise. Be ready students. Everyone sit in a place. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Okay, clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap. Stop. 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 Okay children, sit in your places. Yeah, yesterday what I gave you homework? 14th one, 15th one and 16th one I gave you. Yes? Check out that. See. Open your workbook and check out your work, ma. Whatever you did na, that one. Right or wrong, check. See, A1, what is that? 57 minus 12. S, what you have to do? See, 57 minus 12. S, ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place, you should divide. S, see, ones place, you should minus first. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. See, 2 after up to 7 you should count. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers came? 5 fingers. That 5 you should write in the ones place. Okay? And next, tens place. See, what is that number in tens place? 5, year 1. 5 minus 1. Yes? 5 minus 1. How will do? 1 after up to 5 you should count. Yes, 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers came? 4 fingers. That 4 you should write in the tens place. What is that answer? 45 is the answer. B1. B1, what is that? 78 minus 51. Yes. See, again, ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Ones place you should minus first. S 8 minus 1. See, 1 after up to 8 you should count. S 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers came? 7 fingers. That 7 you should write in the ones place. Tens place. What is that numbers? 7 minus 5. Yes. 5 after up to 7 you should count. 5 after 6, 7. How many fingers came? 2. The 2 you should write here. What is that answer? 27 is the answer. One more. 15th one. A1. 73 minus 51. Yes. Again, what you have to do? You should Write ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place. S. Ones place. 3 minus 1. 1 after up to 3 you should count. 1 after 2, 3. How many fingers came? 2. The 2 you should write in the ones place. Okay. Here, tens place. Which number is here? 7 minus 5. S. Tens place. 7 minus 5. S. Now 5 after up to 7 you should count. 5 after 6, 7. How many fingers? 2. What is that answer? 22 is the answer. B1. What is that B1? 77 minus 66. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. First you should minus ones place. 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6. 6 after 7. Only 1. Yes. The ones place 1. Tens place again. 7 minus 6. 1. Yes. Now C1. 54 minus 22. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. See, ones place you should minus. S. 4 minus 2. 2 after up to 4 you should count. S. 2 after 3, 4. How many fingers? 2. The 2 you should write in the ones place. Next, tens place. 5 minus 2. S. 2 after up to 5 you should count. 2 after 3, 4, 5. How many fingers? 3 fingers. The 3 you should write here in tens place. D1. What is that question? 82 minus 21. S. See, ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. First, ones place. 2 minus 1. 1 after 2. Only 1. That one you should write here in the ones place. Now, tens place. 8 minus 2. 2 after up to 8 you should count. S. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers came? 6 fingers. That 6 you should write here in the tens place. What is that answer? 61 is the answer. Check once. Is it right or wrong? Check it in your workbook, ma. Now, 16th one. See, A1. 96 minus 64. S. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Ones place you should minus. 6 minus 4. 4 after up to 6 you should count. 4 after 5, 6. How many fingers? 2 fingers. The 2 you should write in the ones place. Here, tens place. 9 minus 6. 6 after up to 9 you should count. 6 after 7, 8, 9. How many fingers? 3. The 3 you should write in here. Understood? B1. What is that B1? 85 minus 33. S. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. First of all, what you have to do? Ones place you should minus. Always you should start from ones place. S. C. 5 minus 3. S. 3 after up to 5 you should count. 3 after 4, 5. How many fingers? 2 fingers. The 2 you should write here in the ones place. Again, tens place. 8 minus 3. 3 after up to 8 you should count. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers? 5. That 5 you should write in the tens place. What is that answer? 52 is the answer. Next, C1. What is that? 77 minus 36. S. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Ones place you should minus. 7 minus 6. 6 after up to 7 you should count. 6 after 7, only 1. That 1 you should write in the ones place. Here tens place. 7 minus 3. 3 after up to 7 you should count. S. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers? 4 fingers. That 4 you should write in the tens place. What is that answer? 41 is the answer. D1. 68 minus 46. See, ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. First, 8 minus 6. S. 8. See, in the 8, 6 should minus. 6 after up to 8 you should count. 6 after 7, 8. How many fingers? 2. The 2 you should write in the ones place. Okay. Here tens place. 6 minus 4. 4 after up to 6 you should count. 4 after 5, 6. How many fingers? 2. The 2 you should write here in the tens place. What is that answer? 22 is the answer. Understood? Copy in the workbook. Is it right or wrong? Check it properly. Otherwise, copy. Children, everyone open your classwork. Applications. We have seen that it is easy to subtract 2-digit numbers mentally. In some real life situations, we use mental subtraction of numbers. Let us see few examples. Okay. See, example 17. Manoj has 64 notebooks. He sold 45 notebooks. How many notebooks are left with him? Solve in mentally. See what is that? Example 17. Okay. Copy in the classwork, ma. Manoj has 64 notebooks. He sold 45 notebooks. How many notebooks are left with him? Solve in mentally, ma. See, what is that? Manoj has 64 notebooks. He sold 45 notebooks. How many notebooks are left with him? Okay. Solution. Solution. Number of notebooks Manoj has. How many notebooks Manoj has? 64. S. Number of notebooks he sold. How many? 45. Remaining how many books are there with him? How many left with him? Tell me. The number. How will you do? How many books left with him means what you do? You should minus. Yes. 64 minus 45 you should do. Yes. Number of notebooks remaining with him is equal to 64 minus 45. Yes. You should draw, otherwise so don't draw. Okay. What I said? Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. First of all, what you have to do? Ones place. 4 minus 5. It will go? No. You should borrow from here. Here 5, here 14. 14 minus 5. Yes. 14 minus 5. See, 5 after up to 14 you should count. 5 after. See, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 9 in the ones place. Here, 5 minus 4. 1. 19 is the answer. Therefore, Manoj has 19 notebooks left with him. Understood? Copy in the classwork ma. Write in the classwork. See children, example 18. Should write in the classwork, okay? Alisha went to school for 49 days in a term 1 and 65 days in a term 2. For how many more days did Alisha go to school in the term 2 than in the term 1? Solve mentally. See, Alisha went to school for 49 days in term 1 and 65 days in term 2. Okay. For how many more days did Alisha go to school in the term 2 than in the term 1? See, what you have to do? See, Alisha went to school for 48 days in the term 1 and 65 days in the term 2. How many more days did Alisha go to school in the term 2 than in the term 1? Minus you should do. Yes. Solution. Number of days Alisha went to school in term 1. How many? 49. S 49. Number of days Alisha went to school in term 2. How much? 65 days. 65 days. Yes. Now difference. Number of days is equal to 65 minus 49. Yes. See, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place. First ones place. In the 5, 9 will go? No. What you have to do? You should borrow from here. Here 15, here 5. Yes. 15 minus 9. 9 after up to 15 you should count. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers? 6 fingers. 6 right in the ones place. Again here 5. Here 5 minus 4. 1. Yes. 16 days. Therefore, Alisha went to school 16 days more term 2 than in term 1. Understood? Write in the class work. Tomorrow I will give you workbook. Okay.